Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a notebook interior for 8.5 by 11 book using Word and Canva. So first you just open up Microsoft Word. Once you have done so, go into layout and then select margins. Select custom margins. You want to leave the top at 1 inch and the bottom at 1 inch. For the left, you want to put it at 0. And the right, you want to do the same thing. Put it at 0 as well. And select OK. Just select ignore. All right. Next, we go on size. And because it's 8.5 by 11, it's fairly easy to select. So we just select letter size. So once you're on letter size, you should be fine. Then go back on home. So what we're going to do now is we're simply going to draw lines using the shift and dash buttons on your keyboard. Just going to draw lines to fill up the entire page. Once you have held down the shift and the dash key, you should get an 8.5 by 11 Word document looking like this. Now you can adjust the line spacings to suit the type of book that you are going to be creating. So let's say, for example, you want wider spaces between the lines. Simply highlight. Then go under the section that says paragraph, select this button line and paragraph spacing. And you can adjust it to suit, whether it is 1.5, 1.15. Next, we go into insert. Then we select shapes. And we select a straight line. Using the margin as our guide, we simply draw a line in line with number 1 on the margin to the top. And we pull that line straight down to the end of the page. Once you have the line pulled straight down to the edge of the page, you can select how thick you want your line to be in shape and styles. And I'm just going to select its thickness and ensure that my line is black. And just like that, we have created an 8.5 by 11 interior notebook piece. Just head across to Google. Once you have arrived at Google, type in convert PDF to PNG online. I'm just going to select this option. And choose PDF file, apply changes, and simply download. So open your Canva account, go on custom size. You're going to insert the width as 8.5, the height as 11. I'm going to leave it in inches and select create new design. Once you have done that, it should take you to this page. And this would be an 8.5 by 11 page interior for your book. Then we simply go on uploads, upload media. So once it's uploaded, we simply select it. And it's placed on the page that we are working with. I'm just going to adjust size. So what I like to do is to start from the corner, line it up, and I just drag it until it fits the entire page. Right? Let's say we're going to make a book with 50 pages or 100 pages, whatever the amount. The maximum for Canva, however, is 100. So we just select duplicate until we have gotten the amount of pages that we desire. Once you have done that, you simply select share, download, and you're going to download all the pages and you simply select download. And just like that, you would have created your interior notebook pages for an 8.5 by 11 low content notebook. Feel free to check out my low content notebook available now on Amazon. The link is in the description. Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.